Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can create a new page in Photoshop, and how you can write the name and write the size as well. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to install the Photoshop, and after installing the Photoshop, we have to open the Photoshop. And after that, you will see the interface like this. So we have to click on the create new. And after clicking on the create new option, and now here we have to write the width, that what will be the width of thing that we are working on, like the pin of flex or the logo. And now we have to select that units here, that in which form we are going to write the size, like write the size in the pixels. I have written here 1280 pixels. Those will be pixels or inches or centimeters, it's up to us. And after that we have to write the height here, and then we have to select the orientation, like the portrait or the landscape or the artboard, it's up to us. And after that we have to write the resolution here, that how long the resolution should be or what should be the resolution amount. For example, I'm going to write the 400 here, then 449, you can also do that. And after that we have to select the color mode here, like the RGB color or the CMYK color. Basically these two color modes are mostly used. If you're working on a thing that you want to use them in softly, then you have to click on the RGB mode. Or if you want to print that, and then you have to click on the CMYK color. And then you have to select the background here, that what should be the background of the thing that you are working on. And after that you have to select these, or you can leave them as they are. And after that simply you have to write the name here, the document name. For example, I'm going to write the logo here because I'm working on the logo. And after writing the logo, simply you have to click on the create. So as you can see, the page will be created like this. So in this way you can create a new page in Photoshop. You just have to follow these steps, and after that you will be able to create a new page. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.